As a kid, did your parents always tell you to eat your vegetables? What if we take our veggies from this to this? Today, we're going to make a cleaner version of the traditional Lumpiang Sariwa, or Filipino fresh egg roll, using wholesome, clean ingredients. If we haven't met yet, my name is Melissa, and it's my mission to make Filipino food clean and healthy because too many of our people have been suffering from chronic diseases that stem from our delicious foods that we eat. I'm not going to give up my cultural identity in order to live a cleaner, healthier lifestyle, and neither should you. There are many variations for Lumpiang Sariwa where you can add ground pork or shrimp and all other types of vegetables. Traditional recipes also have you make your own wrapper from all-purpose flour, eggs, milk. But I'm not the best at making crepe-like wrappers, and I need to avoid gluten and dairy for health reasons. So this is how I roll. We'll start off with the filling. Here's what you'll need, so take a screenshot in 3, 2, 1, or just take a look at the description box later on. Heat up your heart-healthy avocado oil in a pan over medium heat. Check out my Tapsilog video where I go over vegetable oil and why avocado oil is a much better choice. Once the oil is pretty hot, we'll add in the onions and saute them for a few minutes. Onions have a reputation for disease prevention because of its significant amounts of polyphenols and antioxidants. Then we'll add in the garlic. Did you know studies have shown that the use of garlic helps boost the immune system, protects against bacterial infections, and helps reduce the risk for various types of cancer? Let's continue to pile on the garlic and onions. Not only do they add such great flavor to our dishes, but there are so many health benefits too. Next, we'll add in our julienned carrots, an excellent source of phytochemicals that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce your risk for cardiovascular disorder, cancer, and neurodegenerative disease. And not to mention its reputation for being high in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are essential for healthy eyes. We'll add in the cubed sweet potato next, which is a great snack even on its own, especially for anyone on the AIP or autoimmune protocol diet. Sweet potato has an anti-obesity and anti-inflammatory potential, which helps reduce inflammation in brain tissue and nerve tissue throughout the body. Last, we'll toss in our jicama slices, or in Tagalog, singkamas. I don't know about you, but I start singing Bahay Kubo in my head every time I hear the word singkamas. Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas sa talong. Jicama is actually native to Mexico, but has made its way and influenced many Asian cuisines, such as the Philippines, thanks to the colonial trade. Jicama contains inulin, which helps to promote healthy gut flora and bone health as it can increase mineral absorption. These are super amazing properties and benefits, especially for those who battle autoimmune diseases. A healthy gut is the foundation to a strong immune system. You can actually purchase jicama at Trader Joe's pre-cut, which is super convenient. Let's also sprinkle some sea salt over our vegetables to add some flavor. We'll want the jicama to have that nice crunch, so we'll just toss them for about a minute, and then we're all set. The vegetables should look something like this. Transfer your cooked vegetables to a separate bowl and set it aside until we're ready to wrap it all up. Look how amazing this is. Now on to what I believe really makes or breaks this dish, the sauce. Get ready to take another screenshot. 3, 2, 1. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of water, half a tablespoon of coconut aminos in lieu of soy sauce to keep this dish gluten-free and also really drop down the amount of our sodium intake. 1.5 tablespoons of coconut sugar instead of using the traditional brown sugar or granulated sugar, which are highly processed and will cause inflammation. We'll use 1/2 tablespoon of arrowroot powder instead of the typical cornstarch to thicken our sauce. Cornstarch is highly processed and made from GMO corn with little nutrients. Arrowroot contains more fiber than other starches, and studies have shown that it can also boost our immune system. Mix all of these ingredients thoroughly and turn the stove on low heat. Let it simmer in the pan until it begins to thicken. Make sure to stir constantly so that the sauce doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the sauce thickens a bit, add the minced garlic. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well, and you can adjust the seasonings to your liking here. We're in the home stretch, guys. Doesn't this look so good already? Look at that sauce. Congratulations if you made it this far in my video. If you haven't already, why don't you hit that like button and show me some love and support. You're probably thinking, okay, filling is done, sauce is done. What am I actually rolling these in, Melissa? Here's my secret, not so secret weapon. Crepini wraps. They're just like crepes, but they're made from cauliflower powder. Let's go down the list of benefits. They are gluten-free, 0 net carbs, dairy-free, and sugar-free. Best of all, I don't have to make them. You can buy these wraps at Costco or check out crepini.com to see where you can buy them at a store near you. I'll leave a link in the description box below for their website. So we'll take our crepini wrap and lay it on a flat surface. I like to have the smooth side facing down. Take a lettuce leaf and place it towards the top of the wrapper. Then take a spoonful of your filling and place it down the middle of the lettuce leaf. Don't overfill it too much, otherwise you'll have difficulty rolling. Take the bottom half of the wrapper and fold it up. Then take the sides and fold them in and roll it over like you're rolling a burrito. Put your fresh egg rolls on a pretty plate and drizzle that tasty sauce over your fresh lumpia. You can definitely add more sauce to your fresh lumpia. Be as generous as you'd like. The last and final touch to make this dish perfect are some ground peanuts. Tell me this isn't causing your mouth to salivate right now and making you want to eat all your vegetables. Hope you enjoyed this dish. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.